Next, assignment group 4 by Eva. Questions. Throw 6 feet 9 inches and 4 feet 3 inches by scale 1/4 equal to 1 feet. Calculations. For the 6 feet, we need to multiply it by scale, which is 1/4, and is equal to 1.5 inch in the drawing. Change the 9 inch to feet by dividing 12. And multiply the scale, which is 1/4. We get 9/48. Sum up 1.5 with 9/48. We get 1 and 33/48. Simplify the answer by dividing 3. We get the final answer as 1 and 11/16 inches. The imperial measures should be 1 inch, ½ inch, quarter inch, 1/8 inch, 1/16 inch, and 1/32 inch. For the 6 feet and 3 inches, we do the same way of calculations. First, multiply the 4 feet by scale. Then, change the inches to feet and multiply by scale. Sum up the step 1 and step 2 numbers and get the final answers. Drawings. See the measurement showing in the ruler, which is 1 inch, ½ inch, 1/4 inch, 1/8 inch, 1/32 inch, and 1/16 inch. Follow the drawing of 1 and 11/16 inches. And here is the drawing of 1 and 1/16 inches. Here is the drawings